Your notes are scattered in Apple Notes. Your tasks live in Todoist. Your projects are stuck in Trello. And your brain feels like a messy whiteboard. That was me before Notion. Now imagine one workspace that does not just store all of that, but helps you to sort it out. Notion puts your notes, tasks, and projects in one place. And Notion AI is the helper inside it. It reads what you are working on and helps you to move faster. It can summarize long pages into key points, draft a paragraph when you are stuck, turn messy thoughts into clear next steps, and find that thing you saved months ago in seconds. It feels like a thinking partner built into your workspace. But Notion AI can be so overwhelming if you are new to it. People move from one tutorial to the next just trying to get a hang of it. This is AI and me again. I sift through tons of videos, so you only have to watch 2. Here are the only 2 videos you will need. Links are in the description below. Save them so you do not have to fall into the tutorial loop. Video 1 will teach you the mechanics. And the creator that I've chosen in this episode is Bram Media. This is the cleanest step-by-step beginner-friendly walkthrough I have seen. No rambling, no fluff, just the foundation you actually need. Here is what you would learn from Bram. First, the core idea. Notion is built from pages, and pages can be folders, pages can be documents, pages can be dashboards. It all starts with a page. Next, the navigation. Bram shows you how to move around your workspace without getting lost, so you always know where you are. Remember I told you Notion can be intimidating, and you can get more space on screen when you need it. Then the secret sauce, blocks. Everything in Notion is a block. Text, headings, dividers, call-outs, images, toggles. And the fastest way to build is the / command. Type a / and you can create almost anything in seconds. This is the thing that makes Notion fast instead of frustrating. And after that, Bram teaches databases. Not the scary databases in data analytics. No, the simple, useful version. He introduces inline databases and the properties you will use every single day. Status, dates, tags. And then the polish. Full width pages, icons, covers. Simple layout choices that make your workspace feel clean instead of chaotic. Here's how I want you to watch video 1. Please do not binge watch it. Build while you watch. Create a page, add blocks, make one small database, even if it is just a simple task list. When you finish, you should be able to answer these questions. Can I create a page, add content with a /, and build a basic database without thinking? If yes, you are ready for video 2. Video 2 teaches you the system. The creator I have chosen in this episode is Productive Setups. This is the video that saves you from building a pretty Notion that you will never use. Because the real problem is not making Notion look good. The real problem is knowing what to do next. This video builds a command center style workflow that makes your day visible. Here is what makes it powerful. It is built on a simple idea. Your day is your to-do list, not your brain, not a sticky note, not a random page you forgot exists, your actual day. Then it teaches the power trio: filters, sorting, and grouping. And this is where most people quit. But once you get this, Dashboard stops being decorations and starts being useful tools. Next, the workflow. You start with an unscheduled view, then you put tasks into a weekly calendar. So planning becomes a simple move, not a mental fight. And you keep the system clean. Finished tasks get out of your face, so you only see what matters right now. It also shows you how to keep things glanceable. You can see key details directly in your views without clicking into a million pages. And this is where Notion AI pays off. Remember the helper from the intro? Once your system is built, it has something to work with. Summarize meeting notes into tasks, clean up a messy draft, pull an agenda from a project page. The system gives Notion AI context, and the context makes it useful. Here's our quick recap for today. One video gives you the tools, pages, blocks, / command, databases, basic setup. Video 2 gives you the engine, a workflow that tells you what is next, so Notion does not become another jumbled mess. If you want to master Notion, do this in this order. Mechanics first, second, the system. That is it. Links are in the description below. Subscribe, and next video, I am doing this for another AI tool. Same format, same promise. I watch tons of videos, so you only have to watch 2. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.